Alright guys, welcome to New Craft Tech channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a video thumbnail generator. How to generate thumbnail from videos. We'll talk about a thumbnail is a picture that represents a video, such that when you want to post a video on YouTube, on TikTok or any social platform, you're given the option to choose what image appears first. What people will see when they see your video, they don't just see the video playing, but there's a picture that actually appears that we'll call a thumbnail. So I'm teaching you how to generate that from a video. So basically I have this interface here which generates video thumbnail, with this video I have here, and then this part here, which is the canvas that actually shows what part of the video we've actually gotten, and then we have this generate thumbnail that when you click on it, it actually picks the picture that is here and downloads it to your file manager itself. Okay, so now let's get started. What I have to do first of all is such that I have to get the video elements. Okay, so I have to get the video elements, and I have to get the video elements such that when I pick any parts on this timer, on this control, so that when I pick any part on this control, automatically the picture appears here. So let's get started. I'm going to pick the video elements. I'm going to say constant video equals to documents dot, now query selector. That's my favorite. Query selector will be this video here. So it's an ID, so we're going to use an ID video. Automatically I'm going to get the video element, I'm going to get the button element also. The same thing I did here, I'll use for the button. For everything I need other on the screen, it's very simple. Let me do various times. This one will be for the button, and the button here is actually the ID generate thumbnail. So I'm going to put it here, generate thumbnail. So we're going to get for the canvas too. I think that one has an ID of thumbnail canvas. Yeah, so that's easy. Okay, now so next is looking at this thumbnail. Looking at this page, you won't know what this is for, right? But we have to represent it. So say when the Windows loads get loaded, unload. So when the video get loaded, we're going to write a text in this canvas here, saying thumbnail, so that the user can understand what we actually want. Okay, so I'm going to say this canvas. So we give it it's a two-dimensional canvas. So say const CTX equal to canvas dot get context. Let's get context, which is 2D. Okay, so say this context should have should be filled with the text. And that text should be thumbnail. Okay, now with the dimension of where we start the measurement from. Okay, where we start the measurement from, that's what should be height and what should be width. So we're going to say let this element start from the canvas width divided by 4, and then the y coordinate should be canvas height divided by 2. Now you won't see, okay, you see a very small image here. But now let's make that sit properly. So say up here before that, so ctx dot fill style should be equal to, going to give the size that we want and then the font family that we want. So we're going to give this one a 20px, and then the font family has Arial. So let's see what happens. Okay, let me do 30. It's not showing so big, right? Because there's an error here. This is supposed to be fonts, not font style. Yeah, so let me do 20. So automatically, yeah, we have that sitting at the center. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do now is to change this color. I don't like the color looking too dark. We're going to say ctx dot fill style. The style I want to give the text as inside, which is going to be, we're going to give it RGBA 0.5. Yeah, so it's too sharp. Now next is to now generate the thumbnail. Now once we generate this thumbnail, we're going to pick the thumbnail I want from this video, so that when we move this control button here, we're going to pick each part here. So what we do is saying video, add an event listener called seeking event. Okay, video dot add event listener, and event listener we're going to use here is seeking. That's on seeking, when we are seeking. Okay, that's when I'm moving that controls. That's what I'm trying to do. So when I move that control, what I'm going to do is to draw the image automatically at a particular point, okay, of that video that I am. Okay, so I'm going to say ctx dot draw image. Okay, that image I'm going to draw will be the image of the video at that instance. Okay, started from 0. That's I said in my previous video when I was teaching how to take picture with canvas in JavaScript. Let me start from this point, which is 0 0, x and y axis, 0 0, and then the size of the image inside should be the same as the size of the canvas. We're going to say canvas width and canvas height. Yeah, automatically. So let's try that. If I'm moving the image here, can you see at this point it gives me that image that is there that we have at this point. It gives me this image that we have here. It gives me everything that I can see on the screen. Now once I'm moving this, I'm seeking what's happening that is going to give me the image that I want to display for that video, as you can see. Okay guys, can you see doing that video exactly? Okay, now next thing to do is when we click on this button, I want to automatically download this image. That's very easy. Because my previous video when I talked about how to take pictures with JavaScript, you see them clearly. So I'm going to say this button dot on click, carry out this function, which is you're going to take the canvas, you're going to create a URL from whatever image has been created. So you're going to constant say URL equal to canvas dot to data URL. Okay, the console.log that URL. It's going to be very long data. So let's check inspect button. Inspect that here, and if I click on this, generally it's giving us this, right? But when it's giving us this as this image that is here, when I click on it, it shows here this same image, right? But when I seek any parts, can you see this part? This particular duration, this current time. When I click on this, can you see this long data that's giving us here? This is in this 64. Can you see? Now, what I need to do is that after getting that image, I'm going to create a link automatically that will not be added to the page. We're going to say constant link equal to document. We're going to create a link tag on JavaScript. We're going to create elements, and the way I'm creating is the anchor tag. You see anchor tag dot href of that anchor tag. Sorry, the link of that anchor tag. Link dot href, the href of that link should be that URL that we got from here automatically. So say link dot download equal to the name we want to download, because you can know your crafts. Pick thumbnail generator. Okay, now next on the list is saying let that link click itself automatically. Dot click. So what happens? What I'm doing here is creating a URL from that image from the canvas, then creating a link in JavaScript and attaching that link. This link just normal like your div tag, your canvas tag, and the rest. So just like creating an anchor tag. This is what here a tag. Okay, this a tag now is in this link that we have here. So automatically I say this link has an href, right? Every anchor tag has an href. The href of that link should be this URL that is this what URL that we actually showed in the inspect tab. So now, therefore, I can now say let the download option of that link become with this name. That's this name that will appear whenever I want to download Neocraft Tech Thumbnail Generator, and then that link should click itself. So I come here and I see any part. Okay, can you see I'm seeking part where I'm looking downwards? When I click on it, can you see downloads with the same name there? When I open this, can you see that same part where I'm looking downwards? This picture. Can you see that? Let's see another part. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let me generate the thumbnail. I click on it, so it's showing us. Yeah, the same. Okay, there are different parts of that video. I can pick any parts and do what I want to do with it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.